stop? I'm sorry. Can you tell us how much the entire PDAF lump sum item is, that special purpose fund?
It's around 24 billion, Your Honor.
24 billion for the PDAF.
For PDAF, Your Honor.
Yes.
This year.
Yes. Title 44 is 24 billion. Yes. It is just one title that affects the legislature and the executive. Is that not correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yet for the entire judiciary, this is from the Supreme Court down to the Metropolitan Trial Courts, the entire budget of the judiciary is only 18 billion. Is that not correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you know how much it requires for each of our trial courts to have only one coterminous legal researcher each?
I am not aware how much. Your Honor.
1.4 billion. Is that not correct? 1.4 billion. And the PDAF item that we have stopped is 14 billion. Is that not correct?
Your Honor, yes.
Let me ask you a question that was raised to us in the budget hearing. Can the President realign the budget of the PDAF and give it to the judiciary?
Your Honor, I submit no.
Because
Because, Your Honor, that would
of
be
the
a transfer.
constitutional prohibition that only the Chief Justice,
Yes, Your Honor.
only the Chief Justice can move savings within the judiciary.
That's
So for that matter, for the rest of the 2013, none of our lower courts have coterminous legal researchers. And only the judge is actually making the decision. Is that not correct?
It would appear that way, Your Honor.
Of course,
yes.
that is not in your pleading.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, it's just an observation. Next, counsel, can we implead the President before the Supreme Court? Can they be impleaded as respondents? Can the President be impleaded?
As a technical matter, Your Honor, we don't.
But your petitions, UDK, the UDK case impledes the President.
Yes, Your Honor.
In
I am
any case,
definitely
perhaps
reminded it's
counsel for
Nepomuceno.
that petition can
Yes.
explain why we should not dismiss that petition outright in the sense that for reasons that the President is impleaded, unless one can find exceptions to that.
Yes,
May
Your
I
Honor.
call on Attorney D to answer the last few questions. It will be very brief. Attorney D, are you familiar with Section 29 of Article 6 of the Constitution?
Yes, Your Honor.
In your presentation,